Good afternoon, children. Today we will discuss that how to draw a line parallel to a given line. Okay. Now suppose the given line is AB and X is a point which is not lying on this line AB. Okay. X is a point which is in the outer part of this line. Now you have to draw a line parallel to AB which touches X or which goes through the point X. So for this you need one ruler and you need one set square. Okay, dear children, this is a set square in which you can see that these are perpendicular edges. And what is the meaning of perpendicular edge? The meaning of perpendicular edge means these two edges makes an angle of 90 degree. Okay, these two edges makes the angle of 90 degree, and that's why these we can say that these lines are perpendicular to each other, and these are the perpendicular edges. So we will use this set square and one of the ruler to draw a line parallel to a given line AB. Now what you have to do, you have to place your ruler like this. Okay, and you have to place the set square so that the perpendicular edge of the set square touches the line AB like this. You have to place the ruler like this and you have to place the set square so that the perpendicular edges of the set square touches the line AB. Now to draw the line parallel to the line AB, we have to just slide up this set square in the upward direction. Okay, again I am telling you, you have to place the ruler like this, and as you all know that these are the perpendicular edges, so you have to place this perpendicular edge along with the line AB like this. Okay, now slowly you have to slide up this set square. How you have to slide up? Like this, slowly. Now you can see I just slide up this set square in the upward direction and I meet this point X. That means this line should touch the point X. So what I have to do? I have to draw a line like this. Okay. So dear children, this is the line which is parallel to line AB. So let the name of this line may be D. So in this way you have to make a line parallel to a given line using ruler and set square.